Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel where we help make your business social media a little bit easier. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your employees to your company LinkedIn page. It's super easy and it's something that they can do through their LinkedIn profile. Now, if this video does help you, we appreciate a thumbs up. That always helps us with YouTube algorithms. And of course, if you are a subscriber, thank you and hello again. And now let's get over to the video. Okay, so we're going to show you how to add an employee or how to have an employee connect to your LinkedIn company page. So this is very easy. Of course, there's two different things that you need to be aware of. First of all, of course, is the LinkedIn company page that you created for the company. You need to make sure that you have it created. Everything is filled out to the best of your ability and it's spot on. The next thing you want to do is have your employees connect their LinkedIn profiles to the page. So how do you do that? You can simply do that by asking them to come over here and update their LinkedIn profile to include that they're working with you at your business. How they do that? They can come over here to the experience section, select this little pencil, click it, and now you can see here that I have tons of pencils, which means I can go in and I can change my experiences, or if I use the plus, I can add my experience, another work experience onto my LinkedIn profile. In this particular case, I'm going to show you really quickly how to change it, or if it's not connected, how to put in the name correctly so that you can be connected to the company page. So in this particular case, you can see here I'm connected to the eGen Solutions page. So let's say that I want to connect to Google. I want to pretend I'm an employee of Google. I'm not, but you know, someday. So you can see here I started to type in Google, and of course other companies that start with Geo popped up too. I'm simply going to select the company that I of course work with and it will populate right in there. Now when I hit save, this will connect me to the LinkedIn company page with Google. Of course I'm not with Google, so I'm going to have to change that. So we're going to change that back to eGen. I'm going to select my page. You simply select save, and then once you change it, as you can see here, there are different icons to different businesses. These are all me connecting to those pages that are here on LinkedIn for the companies that I used to work for. And of course, eGen Solutions is on there. So that is how you connect. It's very easy. It's very nice to kind of keep everyone together. And as an admin, just be aware that you can always notify employees through LinkedIn when you do a post. Stay tuned for that video. If this video helped, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up. Until the next video, thank you for watching.